Good afternoon, Facebook. How are we this afternoon? Another bright and sunny day in Cheshire. It's not, it's cloudy, it's raining. It's definitely not a short stay, but we're having a good day. So I've got an official announcement to make. As you all know, Top Don UK, I've been supporting our members now for, well, best part of a year. And they've come on today as an official Stronger Together partner. Really pleased about that. So we're currently busy rearranging the banners in the workshop, having a bit of a swap round and stuff like that. Let me show you. You'll like this. You'll like this. So as we come into the workshop, we've got the Garage Vitals and the HR Vitals signs going up in a much more prominent place here, so they're more on view in the cameras when I'm doing my morning videos. We've got Top Don UK banner there with the QR code, scannable QR code. So if you want, take a screenshot of that and you'll be able to go into that Top Don UK's web shop with that. And then round here, oh, this is such a beautiful addition to the workshop. Wait till you see this. Oh, that's new. That's different. I've got a new apprentice. It's Jack from Top Don UK. Look at that, another Bobby Dazzler of a poster. Don't worry, folks. We've got some new DPF Doctor ones coming for Prime Play, so don't worry about that. Again, with a scannable QR code. So, Jack, hello. Tell me, Top Don UK becoming an official Stronger Together partner. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, very excited, very happy. Been a long time coming, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it's great to be here and great to take up such a large space on your wall, I guess.
Well, you've put enough kit in the workshop for the members, haven't you? So
I think you got one of everything, haven't you?
Yeah, we have. Yeah.
We'll get some more to come.
Yeah. So also, you've just done your maiden post on SimplyDiag.net, yes. Haven't you?
So yeah, all SDN Pay members can now get a 10% discount on our web shop.
But the code, they have to go into the.
There is the code on there, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you have a look on the forums, there's the code in there for anybody to use along with a link. But yeah, scan the QR code, go to the shop section on the website, and use the code at checkout to get your discount. We don't sell the Phoenix range of tools directly. However, the other Stronger Together partner Diagnostic Connections can offer you the same discount on that range. Awesome.
So how does it feel to be sat in the VIP chair?
Comfy.
In it?
Yeah. Very comfy. Yeah. Yes, no, it's been a good day.
Yeah, we've had a good day, haven't we?
We have.
Done some wiggly lines, we've done some testing, we fixed your van.
Yeah, fixed my van.
Put a mirror on the van, haven't we?
Yeah, sorted out some little bugs in your Phoenix Max.
Yeah.
And yeah, even pulled out one of the old T-Ninja 1000 key programmers to pull a pin code out of this Astra.
Yeah, Astra J, so that's a 2015 Astra J. We pulled the pin, no problem, didn't we?
It was easy peasy.
Awesome. Well, Jack, I just want to shake your hand and say, welcome to the family.
Thank you very much.
Stronger Together. Right, and with that, I think it's time for a granddad nap. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.